Hey guys, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to use contour line to describe the edges of an object. And remember, you're only using line, not shape or color or value to describe all the edges of the objects and the texture. I have my Wacom tablet plugged in, and you can start with a simpler object like the teapot or an apple or a banana. And then when you're done with that, challenge yourself with a harder fruit or vegetable like grapes or a pineapple, and even go as far as to challenge yourself to do hands in different positions and faces. Okay. This is really just for practice. So, first things first, as I have a canvas created, 72 DPI is good for internet quality images, 300 DPI is good for print quality. I just went with 150 DPI because I wanted the highest print quality, but with the faster computer. Okay. So, first things first, you always have to start with creating a new layer. You don't need a photo put in. I just put it because you can't see the apple that's right in front of me. I'm just looking at it and drawing it. But for your reference, I put a photo of it. After that, you need to select the brush tool, which is over here on the left. And there is the brush tool. You can also, the shortcut is also B. As you can see in this window, it tells you the shortcut. And the B is helpful to know. Okay, so I'm going to select the brush tool. I'm going to bring my opacity all the way up to 100%. I'm going to bring my flow all the way up to 100%. And then I'm going to choose a different kind of brush. So I'm going to the one I tested out that I liked, and I think you should try to use, especially with your tablet, is one that comes with the program. So at the top, you have the general brushes folder. And if you go to the one that says hard round pressure size, I'm selecting that one because it gives you hard edges, and then the Wacom tablet is pressure sensitive, and it will control the size of the brush depending on how hard or soft you press, just like a real brush would. Okay, so we're going to try that. I'm going to bring my brush size all the way down, like pretty low, below 10. Okay, and now I'm going to try drawing the contour line with the tablet. So my eye is studying the object in real life, but I'm using my tablet, and I'm going to try to draw everything with one continuous line, and it might look a little funny, but that's okay. Okay, I'm just trying to challenge myself to really look and draw what I see without worrying about it being perfect. So I'm studying the edge of this, and it's quite challenging to draw and talk and teach. And this looks funny because I can't talk and draw. I actually have to be really quiet when I draw. So that's why demos are hard for me. But if it's not perfect, I'm just going to go around, fix the shape. And then you see these little colored shapes. I think that's interesting. Ta-da! I'm done. Okay, there is my apple shape. I might even go and try to draw a banana shape. I don't have a banana in front of me at the moment because it's in a different room. And for the sake of this video, I'm going to pretend it's in front of me. Really, you should be drawing from life. I accidentally let go. That was not on purpose. Don't talk and draw. I accidentally pushed the button. Okay, there is my banana. That's not very good because I'm not looking at an actual banana. Okay, and then maybe I want to challenge myself. Oh, where is the brush? There it is. I'm going to try to challenge myself and draw a hand. But let's say I'm running out of space. What do I do? So I can get my rectangular selection tool, select my apple. Okay, and then I'm going to hit Control T to transform, to make it smaller, hold Shift, and then select it again with the rectangular marquee tool and just move it up. Okay, same thing with the banana. And I realize I did not create a new layer for the banana. So in case you do that, here's what we're going to do. I'm going to rename this layer apple. Okay, then I'm going to create a new layer, rename this layer banana. I'm going to go back to my apple layer, have that selected, use the rectangular selection tool to control X, cut, or you can X, go to the banana layer, control V to paste, okay? And now I still want to move it, so I'm going to select it, control T to make it smaller, go to the move tool to move it, but again, it's going to make me draw a selection tool, select it again, and then move it off to the side, okay? Now I'm going to remember I need a new layer, and I'm going to name it hand. I'm going to try drawing my hand now. So I'm going to click B for brush, okay, or just select the brush, okay, and then I am going to use my tablet to draw my hand. I have my hand in an interesting position, and I'm going to try to draw it. Why is it not drawing? Because I can't talk and draw. No, still not drawing. So there's something wrong. I'm going to figure out what it is. I have this selected. That's why. Control D to deselect. Okay. Now we're going to try again. See, even the teacher comes up with mishaps. Hands are hard. There's the lines in my hand, lines in my wrist. You guys are going to laugh at this. And I'm an art teacher and I draw all the time, so don't be hard on yourself. Fingers, fingers, fingernail. Okay. Lines in the hand. Sometimes sound effects help you to draw. I'm drawing everything with one line. Okay, done. Okay. And let's say I forgot part of the hand. Easy. I'm just going to do that. Okay. Anything you don't like, Control Z and try again. And really, you can try many times because you see I did these really quickly. You can Control Z and keep doing again, trying again, and then picking your favorite one. You got to understand that Mrs. Lee draws all the time, so I tend to be more of a quick drawer, okay? However, it's hard for me to draw and talk. So I am going to make sure my hand layer is selected, and I am going to draw a rectangle marquee around it using this rectangular marquee tool. I'm going to hit Control T to make it smaller, holding down Shift so it doesn't get distorted, and then hit Enter when I'm happy with it, and Control D to deselect.